In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Stripe account and start accepting online payments quickly and securely. To begin, open your web browser and go to Stripe's official sign up page. Once you're there, click Start Now to begin the registration process. Enter your email address, full name, and create a strong password to protect your account. After signing up, check your inbox for a verification email from Stripe. Open it and click Verify Email Address to confirm your account. This step is important to activate your Stripe dashboard. Once verified, Stripe will guide you through account activation. Here you'll enter your business details such as your business name, type, and address. You'll also need to provide personal information including your legal name and date of birth, along with your bank account details so Stripe can send your payouts. For added security, enable two-step authentication. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Stripe may also offer optional features like automatic tax calculation or climate contribution tools. These are optional, so you can skip them if they don't apply to your business. Finally, review all the information you've entered, confirm everything is correct, and complete the setup. That's it. Your Stripe account is now ready to accept payments online. Thanks for watching and happy selling!